Welcome to Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be replacing the catalytic converter on a 2007 Scion TC. We're going to take the heat shield off using number 12. Two more bolts on the bottom here. I'm going to get this piece of the heat shield off now. Watch your hands, this is sharp. Okay, you have one more bolt under here. Right there. Gonna try to get it with the wrench. There's not a lot of room. I'm gonna take this bolt off, holding the oil dipstick in place. It's a number 10. See if I can get it loose. Let's get in there with this ratcheting 12. Next, we're going to be removing the O2 sensor. Let's take this out of there. There. Now we got a couple bolts. Got the bracket right here. Got one on each side here. There's the other one. So let's try to get those. Here's a better look from underneath the car. There's that bracket there, and there's one over here. Let's spray a little bit of PB Blaster on these threads. Okay, these are a 14. Okay, back them all the way out. And you can just let this hang. Let's go to the top. Okay, so this bolt looks like it's going to be a little tricky here. Don't really have a lot of room. Don't want to take the alternator off, so I'm just gonna try to get this loose and then just spin it off by hand. Okay. The rest of these 12 millimeters should be fairly easy to get. Okay, let's see if we can pull it out right through the top. Yeah, there it is. Looks like we need to switch over these mounting brackets. This one here, and that one there. Let's go ahead and spray a little bit of PB. And then here's the new one. So it doesn't look like the shield's gonna switch over, just this bracket here. And I think there's bolts for the top shield. Yeah, I switched over the bracket. Both brackets. Left them loose because you're gonna need to make sure they fit when you get it back in. Okay, now we gotta clean off this gasket area here. Okay, I'm just gonna get a rag and clean it off a little bit first. Alright, this is the gasket. And I'm just going to thread on just one nut here, just a little bit so it doesn't fall. And then we're going to go under and get these brackets on. And we're going to get these brackets back on. Everything's still a little loose. Get that one started. Brackets in. Make sure this gasket's sitting in here great. Crank down one side a little bit, go to the next. Okay, we're going to get these bolts on and get them tightened up here. Just tighten them up in a crisscross-like pattern. Then we're going to put the O2 sensor back in. Going to twist it the opposite way a few times. That way when it's in there, it's not twisted up anymore. And we got this shield to put back on. I'll make sure to get this oil dipstick tube bracket back on. Last is the top heat shield. And these last two top ones. Okay, and we're done. Might get some smoking when you first start it. It's normal, just let it burn off. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.